As the clock strikes midnight and the calendar turns its pages, we find ourselves standing at the threshold of a brand new year. New Year's Eve is a time for reflection, gratitude, and anticipation for the opportunities that lie ahead. It is also a time to extend heartfelt wishes to our loved ones, friends, and even strangers, ushering in the spirit of hope, joy, and positivity. In this article, we delve into the significance of New Year wishes and the impact they can have on both the sender and the recipient. Reflection and gratitude. The transition from one year to the next prompts introspection, allowing individuals to reflect on the experiences, challenges, and triumphs of the past 365 days. New Year wishes often carry a message of gratitude, acknowledging the lessons learned and the personal growth achieved. Expressing appreciation for the journey traveled helps set a positive tone for the coming year. Spreading positivity. New Year wishes are not just casual greetings. They are powerful expressions of goodwill that have the potential to uplift spirits and foster a positive mindset. By sending warm wishes to friends, family, and colleagues, we contribute to a collective atmosphere of optimism. Positivity is contagious, and a simple wish can inspire someone to face the future with renewed energy and enthusiasm. Strengthening relationships. The act of sending New Year wishes is an opportunity to strengthen connections with the people who matter most in our lives. Whether it's a handwritten note, a thoughtful email, or a warm message on a social media platform, reaching out to loved ones fosters a sense of belonging and reinforces the importance of relationships. In a fast-paced world, these gestures remind us of the bonds that endure across time and distance. Setting intentions. New Year wishes often come with expressions of hope and encouragement for the future. They serve as a gentle nudge to set positive intentions and pursue aspirations. By articulating our wishes for others, we articulate our own desires for a better, brighter future. It's a collective declaration of optimism and a shared commitment to making the most of the opportunities the new year presents. Global unity. The tradition of wishing people well for the new year is a universal practice that transcends cultural and geographical boundaries. In a world that is increasingly interconnected, New Year wishes contribute to a sense of global unity. Whether it's a neighbor next door or someone on the other side of the world, the exchange of good wishes reminds us of our shared humanity. As we bid farewell to the old and welcome the new, let us embrace the tradition of sharing New Year wishes with open hearts. In doing so, we not only celebrate the passing of time, but also contribute to the collective tapestry of human connection and goodwill. May the coming year be filled with joy, success, and fulfillment for you and your loved ones. Happy New Year!